Hello everyone, I'm Miss Enda Chaturingtyas. You can call me Miss Enda. I'm a senior chemistry teacher in health education. In here, I will become your mentor, teacher, and your guidance for an enrichment program, especially in general chemistry. If you are a student, the one that is still confused about basic chemistry, you can join this enrichment program. I will discuss mostly about chemical equations, how do we make ionic equation, introduction about periodic table, and then the concept about periodic table, you will get it there. And then we have a titration. I will show you a kind of virtual experiment. And then for the next one, I will have salt. You have preparation of salt and then qualitative analysis of salt. Mostly you will get confused on your exam. And then the next one, redox, equilibrium, and energy changes. That's all the topics that we covered in this chemistry enrichment program. Don't forget, enroll now and enjoy your lesson.